Everyone thinks you need expensive subscriptions to create AI videos. Today, I'll show you how I generate professional content completely free using Grok AI.
If you've been paying for AI tools or struggling hard to access premium AI video generators, then stop scrolling. What if I told you that you can now access Grok AI completely free? You can use the latest model of Grok AI, Grok 1.5, free without paying for anything. You can use it to generate your images, create AI videos, and you can even get access to other premium AI models without paying a single dime. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use Grok AI latest model 1.5 for free. I'll show you how to use it without limit to generate your AI image to video, text to videos, and to create viral content completely for free. Ensure you watch this video to the very end because I'm also going to be showing you how to create temporary emails you can use to access any free AI tools unlimitedly. Without much being said, let's just head over to the tutorial. For you to get started on this amazing website, all you need to do is to go to Google. Okay? Go to Google and search for oil. OII AI. Okay, so this is it, guys. Just take a look at the logo. This is the logo right here. So guys, once it opens, this is what the interface looks like. So you can either log in with your Google, or you log in with your email. Okay, just tap on login with Google. So once you tap on login with Google, it's going to bring you to an interface where you should select an email of your choice. So I'm just going to pick an email. Once you select your email, it's going to bring you to this interface that says continue. Click on continue. And then it's going to land you to this interface, guys. So just look above here. Just look at these three dotted lines above here. Tap on it. And then scroll down. You're going to see desktop site. Just click on the desktop site. Okay, the reason you are clicking on the desktop site is so that you can actually see all the whole interface. If you don't click on the desktop site, you're not going to see some things and you can actually be confused. Okay, now an amazing thing about this website is upon logging in, upon signing up, you're going to be getting free credit. You're going to be getting 200 free credit, guys. 200 whooping free credit. This is actually so generous. And the craziest part is that every day you log into this website, you're going to be getting 60 credits. And another way you can actually maximize and make it so much unlimited on this website is using other emails. You can decide to log in with emails. You can decide to create a temporary email. Okay, you can see I actually logged in with Google. Okay, I logged in with Google, but then there's a way you can actually create a temporary email. This is me basically trying to teach you how to maximize your credit, right? This is me teaching you how to make it unlimited, free and unlimited. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how you can actually get free email. Okay, free temporary email that you can actually use to log in into any website without you going through the hassle of trying to create a Gmail account that you can actually be using to log in. So I'm going to be teaching you that towards the end of this video. Remember, upon signing up, you're going to be given 200 credits, and once you log in into the website every day, you're going to be given 60 credits. And imagine having a lot of emails. Okay, you will never be stuck while creating your videos, your images, and all of that. And you can actually achieve all of that in just this website using Grok AI, using the latest model of Grok AI, Grok 1.5. Guys, you can see these are all the things you can do on this website. You can do animation video, short comic creation, game developing, and other things you can actually do. You can go ahead and explore the website. Okay, so just click on cancel. Now if you look above here, let me zoom in so that you can see it very well. If you look above here, you can see you are having 200 free credit. Okay, now for you to start creating a video, look down here. So when you click on project, it's going to bring you to this interface. Click on start creating. So once you click on start creating, it's going to bring you here to this page that says, hey director, what's on your mind? Let's make something out of it. Okay, so just click on this box here. So click on this box right here. Okay, once you click on this box right here, it's going to bring you to this interface where you're going to see image, you're going to see a video, right? So these are all the models available here. You're going to see GPT Image 2. You're going to see Nano Pro, Mid Journey, Nano 2, Seedream 5.0, Mid Journey, Niche 6, Novel AI, Seedream 4.5, GPT 4.0, and you're going to see Grok Imagine 1.5, guys. And for the video models, you're going to be seeing number 1, Grok Imagine 1.5, guys. And that is why we're here. I told you you can literally use Grok Imagine latest model 1.5 to create your video on this website. They have other models which are actually paid. They also have Gemini, Omni is free. They have Kling, all of this one. They have Seedance 1.5 Pro. Now our focus is on this Grok AI, Grok Imagine, right? Now click on video, okay, and then click on Grok Imagine. Okay, now one thing I've always advised is for you to maximize your credit, you can go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to create an image for you that we're going to be using to make a video using Grok on this website. Okay, so I'm going to go to ChatGPT right now. I'll select a prompt. So I have this prompt here that says a futuristic African female content creator sitting in a neon light AI workspace, multiple holographic screens showing AI generated videos, cinematic lighting, ultra realistic professional studio environment, 8K detail technology. So I'm just going to copy. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. I will still impute it into ChatGPT. Okay, I will impute it in this place that says reply to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to create it for me. Okay, I'll say create it in 16:9. So this is me basically telling you that yes, you can actually use ChatGPT to create your image, high quality images. At least ChatGPT can give you 5 free images every day. Okay, 5 free images every day if you're using the free version. Okay, there are other tools you can actually use to create your images. You can go to Flow AI and create your images for free. Okay, and you can also create your image for free on the websites we are. I just want us to maximize our credits. That is why I'm using ChatGPT to create this image right now. So I'm just going to send it. Okay, ChatGPT is creating our image for us, and our image is almost ready. Wow, this is so beautiful, guys. This is so amazing. So I'm just going to download it, tap on it to save. Okay, so I'll go to my gallery and check if it is truly saved on my phone. It's not saved on my phone. I'll go back. Okay, my internet is actually bad, so I'll just try it again. Click on it, and then it's also bring you here. You tap on this save icon right here. Tap on the save icon right here. I'm just going to tap on it, and then it will keep rolling until it tells us that it is saved. That's where you truly know it is actually saved. Okay, so it's saved. I'll check it on my phone again and show it is saved. So that will have it on my phone. So we will go back to this AI, and then come down here, click on the plus icon right here so we can import our image. Okay, I'll just import my image. Okay, just wait for it to load and be fully visible. Wait for it to load. Okay, now it has loaded. So I'm just going to go back to ChatGPT and select the prompt, what I actually want our image to say. Okay, so I also have a prompt of what I want our image to say. So the image is going to be speaking for 8 seconds. Yes, on this website you can, on the Grok AI on this website, you can literally create video for as high as 15 seconds. Okay, so it's going to say everyone thinks you need expensive subscriptions to create AI videos. Today I'll show you how I generate professional content completely free using Grok AI. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. I'll go back there. and then I will impute my prompt. Okay, I've just imputed my prompt. Now for you can see it is showing 40 credit here, but click on this place right here. You're going to see all the aspect ratio. Do you want 16:9? Do you want 3:2, 2:3, 1:1, 9:16? So if you're using a YouTube, if you're posting it for, if you are posting it as a YouTube long form video, you're going to be using 16:9. Okay, and if you're posting it as a short form video on YouTube, you can use 9:16, or Facebook or TikTok, you use by 9:16. I'm going to be leaving it at 16:9. Okay, now you can see, if you look down here, you're going to see it is showing 720p resolution. Okay, and because of this resolution is 720p, that is why it is showing 40 credits below here. Now this 40 credits is going to reduce drastically by the time I change it to 480p. So I'll tap on 480p. You can see you're basically going to be using only 20 credit, guys, out of 200 credit. This is so crazy. This is so amazing, guys. We're also going to be choosing our seconds. Okay, now it is currently at 5 seconds, and you can create up to 5 to 15 seconds video. So click on plus. I'm going to increase it to 8 seconds. Okay, you can see as I increase it to 8 seconds, our credits increase. So we're going to be using 32 credits. It's not even up to that 40 credits that they selected initially. Okay, so I'm going to leave it at this 480p, and the resolution is still going to be mad. So still going to be amazing, guys. Now when we're actually using Grok for free on the main Grok website, this was actually the resolution we're still using. Okay, and we're even using 6 seconds. We're even creating videos 6 seconds for free, but this one is 8 seconds, and you are still using a very small amount of credit. This is so amazing, guys. You really need to try this website. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Drop at the comment section. Do you think it's worth it? Do you think the number of credits is worth it when you're being given free 200 credits, and you can get 60 credit every time you log into the website? So I'm just going to leave it at this. I'm going to leave there. So if you click on this place right here, you're going to see all of this, your styles library, any style you want. Okay, but all of this is actually not necessary for this tutorial. So I'm just going to hit on generate. Okay, so let's see what it's going to give us. So this is basically the agent analyzing my prompt and images so that they can actually give us the best input. Okay, so you just have to be patient. It doesn't really take time. So just tap on it. You can see our video is ready. I'm just going to play it.
Thinks you need expensive subscriptions to create AI videos. Today, I'll show you how I generate professional content completely free using Grok AI.
Guys, can you see that? Let me play it again.
Everyone thinks you need expensive subscriptions to create AI videos. Today, I'll show you how I generate professional content completely free using Grok AI.
Guys, can you see that? So for you to download your video, just come down here, click on these 3 dotted lines, and then click on download. Let me go to ChatGPT so we can create something else. Okay, I'm just going to select this one. We're also going to create this image in ChatGPT again, and we'll impute it here. 16:9. I'll send it so that ChatGPT will be creating it. Our image is done, guys. I'm just going to download. So I'll just go and copy the prompt of what this image is gonna say. So I'm just going to copy, and then I will go back to the website that we are using. Okay, and then I'll come here, click on my plus icon again, select that image, and then impute my prompt. Okay, while it's still loading. Let's start afresh. Let's just go back, click on create, because if you continue from that scene, it will look as if you're like you're trying to continue. Meanwhile, we're trying to create something from fresh. So click on your plus icon, select the image, and then I will input my prompt. Click on this box here. Okay, click on video, click on Grok Imagine, and then click on this place here to select your aspect ratio, and then I'll say click on 8 seconds and 480p, and then I'll hit generate. Okay guys, I love this website so much. It doesn't take time at all. So I'm just going to tap on one video. Let's play and see. Wow. Can you see that, guys? You didn't really see anything, but I still love it. So if I wanted to say, if I wanted to talk, I'll still go back and reprompt it, but we're going to be ending this video here. Okay, so guys, do want to try this and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, now I said I was going to teach you how to create a temporary email, right? Let me teach you how to create a temporary email. So just go to Google, go to my Chrome browser so that I can actually leave that website running there. Okay, this is me opening another browser. So just go to a browser of your choice and search for temp mail. So this is it, temp mail. Now this temp mail is literally going to help you to create temporary emails. Okay, it's going to help you to create temporary emails so that if you want to log in into any AI website, you can actually quickly come to this temp mail, quickly create a temporary email, and then use it to log in into that website. Now once you are done using the website and you still want to use the same website to continue generating, maybe you are done with the credits you have there and you don't want to log in with another of your email, you quickly go back to this temp mail again, click on verify, you quickly go back to this temp mail again, generate another temporary email, and go. That is how you can continue until you are able to create a whole 20-minute movie or AI video. So you can see I just have a temporary email here. All I need to do is to copy it. Once you copy it, you quickly go and paste it in the AI tool you want to use it, in the place that says impute an email. Then after that, once you impute it, you quickly come back and scroll down. You're going to see, just keep scrolling down, you're going to see a code. Okay, just copy the code and go back to that place and impute it, and you have access to the website. This is literally how an AI tool. If you don't understand, you want me to make more videos about this, you can drop at the comment section. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section if you're going to be trying that tool. Thank you for watching. Do also like this video, share and subscribe to my channel so that whenever I have videos like this, you're going to get notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.